You to my YouTube channel. This channel is to help affiliate marketers understand what it takes to be able to create an income online, what softwares are involved, maybe some strategies, some techniques that you can use to be able to get your content seen. It's just going to be a tutorial for helping individuals understand affiliate marketing. That's what I want to do. And so you can be able to build your business where you can have longevity and dependability, something you can be proud of. So that's what I want to do with my YouTube channel. I think it's great being able to help individuals start to understand what so many different ways to be able to obtain a living online and being able to implement them correctly, right? One of the main things is that you need to find a mentor, someone that you can reach out to, someone that can help you along your journey. And that's one of the most important things that I can tell you is to stay focused whenever you have someone that helps you out and lets you know to do certain things. Make sure you do those and don't get distracted, right? It's a systematic strategy in order to be able to create a business online. But once you get it created and then you're able to learn how to manage it, it truly is a different type of living. You're able to obtain time freedom. I help individuals that, maybe you like your job, maybe inflation, maybe you're just looking for a few extra streams of income. I can help you do that. I can help you set it up to where you can start enjoying promoting all the products that you like. So with that said, guys, I do thank you for joining here. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure that you always go to my description because I'm always putting in new videos and new ways to be able to obtain a living. So thanks again, guys. I hope that you have a great day. God bless each of you.